If you want to prepare complete presentation in just 2 minutes and then that presentation should be editable, this video is for you. I can show you right now in just 2 or 3 minutes you will learn this and you will be able to create a perfect presentation and other stuff by using NotebookLM. Welcome back to Knowledge Elevator. My name is Tariq Rahim, and in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how you can make presentation in NotebookLM, and later I will show you how you can edit that presentation. So for that, simply search in a Google NotebookLM and then click on the first option, Google NotebookLM AI Research Tool and Thinking Partner. And when you click on this option you will see there is multiple options. Then simply click on try NotebookLM. Now this is the interface of NotebookLM, where there is already available templates over there that you can use for your presentation. And beside that there is the option create new at the top, so you can click on that because from here you can create your own. And now when you click on this option there is again option of upload file, website, drive, copy text, and also there is a chatbot where you can write your prompt. According to that, NotebookLM will make presentation for you. So for example, I am looking for a presentation that should be on AI agent 2026. So I will write here and then I will submit. So in just few seconds you will see NotebookLM will add all the resources that will be the part of my presentation. So now you can see there is lots of resources just added. I will click on import, and now there is all information mentioned that these resources will be the part of my presentation. But there is the option of select and deselect, from where you can add resources to your presentation. So you can do all these things from here. When you upload your information, and then there is the option of slide deck on the right side. So there is option of pin, just click on that, because now you will be able to adjust some more requirements that you have. I mean language and also the length of your presentation. Beside that there is option of prompt, where you can mention your requirement. So I will click on generate. I mentioned that I need 10 slides presentation. So now in just few seconds NotebookLM will create presentation for me. Beside that you can see there is options of audio overview, video overview, mind map, reports. I already prepared videos on these, so if you want you can watch all these videos on Knowledge Elevator. So now you can see my presentation is ready. In just few seconds they just make presentation for me, which is really attractive when it comes to the flow chart, when it comes to the pictures and the headings. It's really very amazing, and they really include a very precise and attractive information. This is something that you can just make in 2 or 3 minutes. So if you are satisfied, simply download the presentation from NotebookLM and it will be in PDF. So now we are going to move toward the second phase of our video, which is how you can edit this presentation that you created in NotebookLM. So simply search in a Google free PDF to PPT converter Canva, and then click on the first option. So now you have option of upload, where you will upload that file of presentation that you just created in NotebookLM. So I will upload that. So when I upload that file, you will see that there will be multiple options that I can utilize in Canva. This is Canva. So on the left side you can see there is options of design, element, text, brand, upload, tools. So I will show you how you can edit this. So from the upper panel there is option of edit. When I click on that, there is again option of grab text. So I can grab all these texts from here. I will click on that. So again I will select all text. So now you can see when I grab all the text, I can edit all these text, and also I can move from right to the left, from top to the bottom. And if you see on the upper panel there is option of adjustment of font, like you can see font style, size, and also I can make animation of all this information. So believe me, this is really very attractive options that I found when it comes to NotebookLM and Canva combination. It's really amazing. And the most important thing is that you can add more things, more pictures, videos, other stuff that if you want to include in your presentation. Canva is really a very special tool that you can use for video editing and also for picture editing. And also Canva has some more amazing feature where you can use Canva AI feature that is really special, and you can also do lots of things in just few minutes. For that you can visit Knowledge Elevator. There is a complete detailed tutorial available over there. So when you finished editing in Canva, so there is an option of share. Simply click on that and then you can download your presentation. And beside that, for this time what you can do, if you want to download this presentation, click on Microsoft PowerPoint option, which is on the top panel. So when you click on that, now you have option that what are the slides that you wanna include in a PPT. And if you want to exclude something, you can do it from here. But if you are going with all, so simply select all and download them. So now this is the PPT file of your presentation that you just create in 2 or 3 minutes by using NotebookLM and Canva. So that's all from my side. If you like the video, hit the bell icon and subscribe Knowledge Elevator. See you in next video. Have a good day.